Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video we are going to talk about the third party background music. So how can we get third party background music for copyright free, and which music should we choose and which not. So without wasting your time, let's start these videos. First of all, I'm going to open my browser. You can see there are two websites I open. I already searched in my YouTube copyright free background music. I'm going to tell you the reality of this copyright free background music. So normally you search in YouTube copyright free background music and you pick up one of this music you like. But in some case this is not actually a copyright free background music. So after search you can find three type of music. One type of music is really copyright free and second type is not copyright free. They just use this name to copyright free music. The third type is if you use background music in your video, maybe 1 week or 1 month, you will not get copyright claim. But after 1 month or 2 months, you may have chance to get copyright claim in your video. So be careful about to choose your background music with YouTube. So we have lot more options to choose our background music. There have plenty of free websites who provide you free background music. I will give you the one example of this type of website. So this website choice.com, they offer you free background music. You can choose one of this background music and you can use in your video. But before you download your background music, you need to see what type of license they give. You need to see it's free or not. So I'm going to open this. From here you can see it is a free background music, but you need to give attribute in your video description. So they mention it clearly. This track is for to use even commercially like YouTube monetization, but you must include the following credit in your video description. Copy and paste. It means you need to give attribute or credit in your video description. So simply copy this and paste this in your video description. So in this way you can get your free music, and if I click on free download, then I can simply download from here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any question about background music, please comment below so I can know and I can solve your problem. I hope you learned something new from this. If you learned something new, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and see you in next video.